you drop this, friend. Oh, wow, thank you so much.
No problem.
Here, let me give you a little something for that.
He's actually helping him.
Okay, viewers, take a look at this video. Isn't it amazing? The entire video you're watching was created using 100% free AI tools. I didn't use any paid software at all. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process so you can create the same type of videos and upload them to YouTube. First, let's look at some channels that are performing really well with this style of content. The first channel is Family Life English. It has around 24,000 subscribers. But what's really impressive is its videos. The channel uploads family-based stories where different family members face emotional situations and everyday problems. These stories are written in slow and easy English, making them perfect for people who want to improve their English while enjoying engaging content. Now let's move to another channel called Rumi and Friends English. This channel follows a very similar concept. It also uploads simple English story videos, and many of its popular videos have already crossed 200,000 views. Now let me show you another amazing example, English Daily Show. This is also a slow English learning channel that publishes interesting story-based content. If you look at its videos, you'll notice they consistently receive excellent views. Even the latest uploads continue to attract a large audience. The reason I showed you these three channels is very simple. This niche is becoming more and more popular every day. If you create similar high-quality videos and upload them consistently, you also have a great opportunity to grow your YouTube channel and eventually get monetized. These videos are highly engaging, emotionally powerful, and easy for viewers to understand. All of these channels are monetized, and even their newest uploads continue to receive hundreds of thousands of views. I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you. It includes everything you need, such as over 60 consistent character descriptions, story structure, scene breakdowns, image prompts, and all the necessary instructions. You don't need to create anything from scratch. You can download this master prompt from the link in my YouTube video description. Simply open it and copy the entire prompt. Now I'll open Claude AI. After opening Claude AI, I'll simply paste the master prompt into the chat box and click the Generate button. Now Claude AI starts working. One thing I really like about Claude AI is the quality of its prompt generation. Let's wait for a few seconds. And look at this result. First, Claude AI has generated a complete story. Then it automatically created scene-by-scene prompts for every part of the story. Take a close look at these prompts. Every single prompt is detailed, engaging, and professionally written. Each scene includes consistent character descriptions, background details, emotions, lighting, camera angles, and everything required to generate high-quality AI images. You don't need to edit anything manually. Everything is already prepared for you. Now, simply copy all of these image prompts because we're moving to the next step, image generation. For generating images, I'll use Gemini AI, which is completely free. After opening Gemini AI, I'll paste the first image prompt and click Generate. Let's wait a few seconds. Wow! Take a look at this first image. The quality is absolutely amazing. The characters are consistent, the lighting looks cinematic, and the overall image is incredibly professional. Now I'll copy the second image prompt, paste it into Gemini AI, and click Generate again. After waiting for a few seconds, look at this result. Our second image is also ready, and once again the quality is fantastic. Now let's repeat the same process for the third image. Paste the prompt, click Generate, wait for a few seconds. And there it is. Our third image is ready. Next, I'll do exactly the same thing with the fourth prompt. Paste, Generate, wait. Excellent. The fourth image is also complete. Now I won't repeat the same process for every remaining prompt because it's exactly the same. I'll simply copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Gemini AI, and generate the remaining images. After a short wait, look at these final results. Oh my God, every image has been generated successfully. Take a close look at the quality. The characters remain consistent throughout the story. The facial expressions are natural. The backgrounds are beautiful, the lighting is cinematic, and everything has been generated with just a few clicks. The best part is that Gemini AI is completely free, so you don't need to spend any money to create professional quality story images. Now that all of our images are ready, it's time to move to the next step. In the next part of the tutorial, I'll show you how to convert all of these images into smooth, cinematic AI videos using another free AI tool. So let's move to the video generation section. All right, viewers? Now it's time to convert our AI images into cinematic videos. Simply open the AI video generation tool called PixVerse. PixVerse is an amazing AI video generator. If you're using it for the first time, all you need to do is sign up with your Gmail account. After signing in, you'll receive 90 free credits, which are enough to generate around 3 to 4 AI videos. The best part is that PixVerse also gives you 30 free credits every day, so you can continue creating videos without spending any money. Here's a pro tip. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, you can sign in with different accounts to receive additional free credits and generate even more AI videos completely free. Now let's create our first video. Scroll down and select the Image to Video option. Upload the first image that we generated earlier. After uploading the image, simply paste your animation prompt. For example, add animation with voiceover. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio, video duration, and other settings according to your project. Once everything is ready, simply click the Generate button. As you can see, our first AI video has started generating. Now just wait a few moments while PixVerse processes the animation. And look at this result! Wow! Our first AI video is now ready. Take a close look at the quality. The animation is incredibly smooth, the characters move naturally, the facial expressions look realistic, and the overall video feels cinematic and highly engaging. Now I'll upload the second image, paste the same animation prompt, and click Generate again. After waiting for a few seconds, look at this result. Our second AI video is also ready, and the quality is just as impressive. Next, I'll repeat the exact same process for the third image. Upload the image, paste the prompt, click Generate, wait a few seconds. And there it is. Our third AI video is now complete. As you can see, all 3 images have been successfully transformed into high-quality AI videos. The animations are smooth, the characters remain consistent, and every scene looks professional and engaging. Now let's download all of these videos. After downloading them, you'll notice that the free version of PixVerse includes a small watermark or logo. Don't worry, it's very easy to remove. Simply open CapCut and drag all of your generated videos into the timeline. Select each video, then use the scale option to zoom in slightly until the PixVerse logo is completely outside the frame. That's it. As you can see, the watermark has been removed, and now you have a clean, professional-looking AI video ready for editing. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found this free AI tool helpful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI tool and a brand new tutorial. See you next time.